Open the tailgate to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Wiggle the housing to remove it from the vehicle. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise.
Use a pair of pliers if it's difficult to turn.
And then there is a little clip.
Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.